Hi, I'm Shannon Grissom and welcome to another episode of Painterly's 2-Minute Tips. Inside you'll find tips on painting, on the creative process, marketing your art, and so much more. Don't miss a thing. Please be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, hello there. Today we're going to talk about using an isolator to isolate and discover color. You can buy a fancy one at the art supply store, or you can make your own. I make my own. So basically you just take a scrap piece of mat board, poke a hole in it, and there you go. So how do you use this thing? Well, you hold it out at arm's length, close one eye and squint, stand on one foot. No, just close one eye and squint. And then you mix your paint. You hold your knife on the other side of the hole, and when what you see on your knife matches what you see through the hole, you'll know that you've totally nailed the color. And what I do is I scan this around a surface because you see so much color and it gets to be overwhelming. This really isolates what you see. Look at all the color I discovered in this white cup. So when you're mixing the color and you're putting it up against this and it's not matching, these are questions that you ask yourself. Number one, on the value, is it lighter or darker than what I'm looking at? Number two, is it warmer or cooler? And then you just adjust as necessary. Don't just add black or white to get the neutrals. Try working with the color's complement for a more sophisticated look. So there you go. I can't wait to see what you create and all the color that you discover using the isolator. Thanks for watching today. For the latest tips and tricks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.